Hey Laura, this is Viola with Gwinnett SEO. Thank you so much for taking the time out to speak with me the other day, and thanks for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple. There are just a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them. And it kind of holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially seeing that they don't know who's an expert and who's not an expert. So I found that by making these easy attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners are able to do this themselves, and some call me back and ask for some help, right? So if you want some help at the end of this video, then go ahead and give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to do this yourself, not a problem. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about contents, backlinks, and citations. So this is your website here. Obviously, you have the very basic on here, but nothing to scoff at. Believe it or not, there are a lot of business owners out there who don't even have a website. So, kudos to you for having one. Now, when somebody types in on Google, roof repair, Gainesville, Georgia, or any of these areas that you're located in, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that has the most words on it. And typically these businesses on this homepage have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on their homepage. So you definitely want to increase that homepage content upwards to at least 1,500 words of content on that page. I went ahead and pulled up the number one for your area, and that's Hewitt Roofing. And as you can see on their homepage, they still don't have 1,500 words of content on your homepage. So that just tells me that there's opportunity there. Once you guys get your homepage upwards to that you'll be able to outrank them in that area. The other thing I wanted to talk about is when people do type this in, the first thing you'll notice are the ads, right? And 90% of the time people bypass the ads, whether that's because of ad blockers or bad experiences, etc. But then you see the map area, and under the map area is what we call the map pack. And in this area, the way to win in this area is to basically find out how many citations, and by the way, a citation is simply your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Yext. You get the idea, right? So basically find out how many citations ET Restorations has. Let's say if they have 50, then you need to have 50, and then add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that in order to outrank them month after month. And that's how you beat them in that area. And then you have this area down here, which is the organic section. So we'll bypass Angie's List and Yelp and Home Advisor, etc. But you see the number one is Hewitt right here. And the way to win in this area is all about it's all about content, like I mentioned earlier, and backlinks. So backlinks, what are backlinks? Let's jump over to this tool that I use called Ahrefs. I pay about $100 a month for it. And in the backlinks, a backlink is simply site A has a link on it. When you click on that site, when you click on that link, it takes you to site B, which would be pretty much your website, which will give you some power. It says here that you guys do have a few backlinks that are working in your favor. It looks like you added one. But I'm going to jump over to the other company in this same tool, and that's Hewitt Roofing. And the strategy to win here is to go in and see exactly what backlinks are working for them, right? And go ahead and put yourself in those same backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, okay? Because Google knows that, you don't work for, or you guys are not selling crepes, right? So the thing is, if you're getting a backlink from like Pizza Hut or like the crepe house, like you see here, it's not going to give you any power. That's why you see a bunch of zeros across the board. So it's useless. But if you do get a backlink that has something to do with like roofing, for example, best 13 roofers, that gave them a 90. So that gives you power to your website. And lastly, I want to talk about something very, very important, and those are the keywords. So keywords are super important. When somebody types in roofing in Gainesville, Georgia, 100 people are searching for that. You see that? 100 people search for that per month. And this company is sitting in the number 6 spot, but they get 9 customers per month just from this keyword. You see that? And then if we keep going, let's see, roof repair Gainesville, 30 people search for that per month. They get 2 clients from that per month, and they're sitting in the number 5 spot for it. And the list goes on and on. So I would sift through that. And when you do get it, save these photos, because even though Google doesn't really care how good looking your website is, they really only care about the content. They don't look at the photos, but they read the photos. So you want to save these photos as different keywords that you're trying to be located for. Across your entire website. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have for you, Laura. Again, my name is Viola. I hope you guys are able to put some of these things into action. Leave me some feedback. Let me know if this was at all helpful and if you guys are able to do any of this. If you would like some help with it, of course, go ahead and shoot me back an email or give me a call, and I'll be happy to explain some next steps so we can partner together. Okay, but other than that, thank you so much again for watching this video, and you have a good day.